In this video, we are going to learn the dictionary data type or the dictionary collection type. In our previous videos, we have gone through lists, tuples, sets, and various methods of lists, tuples, and sets with syntaxes and with examples. Now, we need to understand what is a dictionary. So when you observe a list or tuple or sets, everywhere we are storing a collection of elements where every individual element is a single entity. Where every single element is a single entity. Suppose if you see the list data type, list can be represented like this. List L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Suppose if you see a tuple is equal to 10.5, 20, 70. So this is the tuple. Suppose if you see a set S is equal to 10, 40, 90. This is a set. If you observe closely the three collection data types, here L consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. It contains 4 elements, but every element is individual. Every element is individual. When you take a tuple, you have 3 elements, in which every element is individual. When you see the set, here you have 3 elements. Every element is a single individual element. It is not inferring anything. But what about sometimes you need to store data like this. I want to store my name and my marks. My name is some ABC and my marks are 75. Sometimes I want to store like this, my name and my location. My name is ABC, my location is Hyderabad. Like that, I need, suppose if I retrieve my name, I should be able to say my marks. If I say about my name, I should be able to say from which location I am coming, Hyderabad. That means there is a relation between these two values. If you know the name, then you can know the marks of the student. If you know the name, you can know the name of the city from where he is coming. That means with this data, I am able to approach this data. With this data, I am able to say this data. That means here it is acting as key. It is acting as key. This is acting as value. Ravi, his marks are 95. The name of the another student is Ramu and his marks are 85. And the student is Satya. Her marks are 93. So if you know the name of the student, you can get the marks. If you know the name of the student, you can get the marks. That means we can relate this one and this one. So here we are calling this as a key and here we are calling it as a value. So totally we are calling it as a key value pair. Ravi and his marks is 95. This is one tuple. Here this is a key. This is value. Here Ramu and his marks are 85. This is another key value pair. Next one is Satya and his marks are 93. So this is called as key value pairs. If you can able to store, if we can store data in terms of key value pairs, then that collection is called dictionary. Then that collection is called dictionary. So in dictionary, you don't have ordinary elements. In dictionary, the elements are in the form of key value pairs. So this is what about the introduction about dictionary. So Python dictionary is used to store the data in a key value pair format. We already seen what is a key value pair format. The dictionary is a data type in Python which can simulate the real type or real life data arrangements where some specific value exists for some particular key. Whenever you have some data in which the data is in the form of a key value pair, in such cases we have to go with the dictionaries. So dictionary is mutable data structure. That means you can delete the elements from the dictionary. You keep on adding the elements into the dictionary. So you can either increase the size of the dictionary or you can decrease the size of the dictionary, so that it is called as mutable data structure. The dictionary is defined into elements of keys and values. In dictionary you have elements. Every element again in turn is a key value pair. Keys must be a single element. Keys must be a single element. And values can be lists, tuples, integers, or etc. But the keys must be a single element, and the keys cannot be duplicated. Keys cannot be duplicated. Values can be duplicated, but keys cannot be duplicated. Suppose if we see another definition of dictionary, in other words, we can say that a dictionary is a collection of key value pairs where the values can be any Python object. In contrast, the keys are immutable Python objects, that are numbers, strings, and tuples. That means once the key is defined, that key cannot be changed. Keys are immutable. Actually the Python, the dictionary is mutable, but when it comes to the keys, once a key is defined, it cannot be changed. Its value can be changed. Its value can be updated, but key cannot be changed. Key can be removed. If you remove the key, its value will be removed. If we insert another key, its value will be inserted. But the key shall be unique. It cannot be repeated. It cannot be duplicated. And also key cannot be changed. That means key is immutable. So this is what about a dictionary is. Here we will see how to create a dictionary. So creating the dictionary by using multiple key value pairs enclosed by curly braces. We can create the dictionary with curly braces. Open curly braces and close braces. In between, we will write multiple key value pairs. Each key is separated from its value by the colon. So how you will write key value pairs? Key and its value will be separated with a colon. So here you can see the syntax of the dictionary. Suppose here dict is a dictionary. Here we have opened the brace. Here name is the key. The value is Tom. Tom is its value. Suppose if you take age is a key. Its value is 22. So here name is a key, colon, its value is Tom. Here name is a key, age is a key, and its value 22 is a value. So like that, this is one key value pair, this is another key value pair. Like that, you can have multiple key value pairs. Here keys cannot be duplicated, and once the dictionary is defined, keys cannot be modified. Key can be deleted, another key can be added, but the present key cannot be modified. So this is the way of defining the dictionary. Suppose if you see how to define an empty dictionary. An empty dictionary can be defined like this. D is equal to, you can put like this. This is the way of defining the empty dictionary. Similarly, by using dict method also, we can define the dictionary, an empty dictionary. D is equal to dict. There is a method called dict. With the help of dict method also, we can create a dictionary. So this is the way of creating empty dictionary. Creating an empty dictionary. An empty dictionary. Suppose here I am defining a dictionary with elements like this. D is equal to, let us suppose A is my key. A is my key. A for apple. Let us suppose A for apple. Here apple is a value. Here A is a key and apple is a value. If I want to know the value, if I can get the key with the help of the key, then I can know the value of the particular key. Suppose B for, then you have to, after one element, after one key value pair, you have to put a comma. B for, suppose ball. B for ball. Comma. C colon cat. Comma. D colon dog. Here how many key value pairs are there? A dictionary may contain any number of key value pairs. Here this is one key value pair, this is another key value pair, this is another key value pair, and this is another key value pair. Here you observe that all keys are unique. Here A is A, B, C, D. These are the keys. All keys are unique. Suppose if you want to know this value, you can get this value by mentioning its key. Here if you write D of A, that means this is a key. D of A, it gives the value apple. If you write like this, D of B, it gives the value ball. That means if you want to retrieve the value, first of all you have to mention its key. That key gives its value. This is the way of retrieving the value from the given dictionary. Here you please remember that you cannot have duplicate keys in the dictionary. Dictionary always contains unique keys. Suppose if you want to add an extra element into the dictionary, you can write like this. D of, suppose E. D of E. E for, let us suppose, elephant. E for elephant. Let us suppose. Here I am giving, here this element is added to the end of the dictionary. So E for elephant, this key value pair, that means in this dictionary, another key value pair E colon elephant will be added as a fifth element in the dictionary. In the dictionary, you don't have any order, but you have to keep the elements one by one. Up to Python 3.0 version, the elements in the dictionary are unordered. But from the Python version 3.7 onwards, the elements in the dictionary are ordered. That means the way in which we are inserting the elements order will be considered. So that is a simple information about what is a dictionary. So dictionary means a key value pair. you are storing the information in the form of a key value pair. Here keys can be any integers or float or any string. So if you take the key as a string, you have to keep quotations. In the similar fashion, your values may be anything. Your values may be list, your values may be tuple, your values may be string. But if it is a string, we have to keep in quotations. If it is a list, we have to keep the values in the form of a list. Okay. Now we will see various methods of dictionary, and for each and every method, we will go with some examples. Now the question is dictionaries ordered or unordered? Yes, as of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered collection. In Python 3.6 and the earlier versions, dictionaries are unordered. When we say that dictionaries are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not be changed. That means when you are keeping the items in the dictionary, they have some order, that those order cannot be changed. But in the previous versions of 3.6 and the earlier versions, dictionaries are unordered. There is no order of inserting the items into the dictionary. Unordered means the items does not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item by using an index. So that is the difference between ordered and unordered. So from Python 3.7 version onwards, you have a ordered elements in the ordered key value elements in the dictionary. Now we will see various built-in methods that we can use on dictionaries. Here a method called clear. Suppose if you have defined a dictionary and if you want to remove all the elements in the dictionary and you want to make the dictionary as empty, then you can go with clear. Clear is a dictionary method through which we can remove all the elements from the dictionary and make the dictionary empty. For that purpose, we are using clear. Copy. If you want to make another copy of your own dictionary, then you have to use the copy method. From keys. From keys is a method which returns a dictionary with a specified key and values. From keys is a method which returns a dictionary with a specified keys and its values. Get. If you want to know a particular value, with the help of a specified key, you can know a particular value. With the help of get method, you can get the value by using the key. Items. Suppose if you want each key value pair, in the given dictionary, suppose in the previous case you have seen A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Now I want each key value pair. Then items will give each key value pair in the form of a tuple. A comma apple. A comma apple. That means A for apple. So this is one key value pair. B for ball. This is another key value pair. So items is a method which returns a list containing a tuple where each tuple is a key value pair. Keys. If you want only keys, then you can use the method keys, which returns a list containing the dictionary keys. If you want to remove an element with a specified key, then you can use pop method. Pop is a method which removes the element with a specified key. If you want to remove or if you want to insert, first of all, you should give a specified key. With the help of key only, you can retrieve an element, or you can delete an element, or you can pop an element from the dictionary. Pop item. Pop item always removes the last inserted key value pair. There is a difference between pop and pop item. Pop item will remove the specified key. The pop will remove the specified value with a specified key. Pop item will remove the last inserted key value pair from the dictionary. Set default. That means Set default is a method which returns the value of a specified key. That means if the value is there, its value will be returned. If value is not there, if you keep any default value, that message will be reverted or that message will be returned. If the key does not exist, it will ask insert the key with the specified key value pair. That means if the specified key existed, its value will be returned. If the key is not there, then it will give a message that it will give a default message. Whatever the message we keep, that message will be returned as a default message. Next, update method. Update method updates the dictionary with the specified key value pairs. And finally, values. Here we have seen keys. Keys is a method which returns the list containing only keys of the dictionary. Values returns a list of values in the dictionary. What are the values are there in the dictionary? Those values will be sent or returned as in the form of a list. That is a values method. So these are the most important built-in methods in the dictionaries. So we will discuss all these methods with complete examples in the next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment on my YouTube channel. In future, we are going to create many more videos on computer science engineering subjects. Thank you.